Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to show you how to make a GUI in Roblox Studio. First, open the Roblox Studio application on your PC. On the right corner, you'll find the Explorer panel. Inside the Screen GUI, you'll insert a frame. You can also add the frame from the UI tab at the top. Next, you need to adjust the frame by dragging it to the center of the screen. In the frame option, click on the background color and select the color. Now, click on Screen GUI and choose the text button. Place the button in the center of the frame and add two more just below them. Then click on the first button and name it Start. Here, increase the text size and move to the next button. Repeat the same process for the next two buttons and give them Resume and Button as a name. Click on the plus icon next to the text button and add the UI corner by searching for it. In UI corner, add 0.50 as a corner radius and add another UI corner. Now repeat the same step and enter 0.50 as a corner radius. Again, click on the plus icon next to the text button and add the UI corner by searching for it. Lastly, adjust the buttons and place them in a proper arrangement. For more information, check out the links given in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.